Morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman. We're going to do Foundations, Week 5. Let's get started. Okay, so the first letter we are going to we're going to learn this week is the letter A. Here's the uppercase A, and here is the lowercase a. And do the uppercase A and the lowercase a look the same or different? That's right, they look different. We are going to concentrate on writing the lowercase a this time around. We're not going to worry about writing the uppercase a just yet. And as you can see, the background is salmon. And we know that when the background of the card is salmon, it is a special letter. It is a vowel. So the key word for A is apple. Apple. Now remember, the key word helps you remember the sound of the letter. So the first sound you hear in apple is the A sound. Apple. I hear ah. So it's A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. Now remember, I told you before that I like to do movements for the vowels because they're special. So when I hear ah, I think of someone being scared. So I always put my hands up and I act scared and go ah. So let's try that. A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. Very good. So the next letter that we're going to do is a consonant, and it is the letter G. This is the uppercase G here, and this is the lowercase g here. Now, do the uppercase G and the lowercase g look the same or different? That's right, they do look different, don't they? Now, the key word for G is game, game. The first sound I hear when I say game is g. So that's the sound G makes. G, game, g. You try. G, game, g. Very good. So let's take a look at what they look like in the standard cards. Well, let me take all these off real quick. Excuse me. And let's take a look at what A and G look like. So A is the first letter of the alphabet, so it's first, and then G is right underneath. Now, when you see this A, this is not how we write an A, but the company felt like you should know how this A looks because you will see it in books. This is not how we write it, but this is the letter A. So you would say A, apple, ah. My turn. A, apple, ah. Your turn. My turn. A, apple, ah. Your turn. Good. This is also a fancy G. We don't write a G like that, but it is important to know that a G does look like that. So it's G, game, g. Good. G, game, g. Awesome. G, game, g. Amazing job. Boys and girls, let's do our drill sounds. We'll do my turn, your turn. T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, N, nut, I, itch, I. U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. A, apple, ah. Very good job. Now let's do the standard cards. And let me hit all the ones that we have done so far. We did T, B, F, M, N, I, U, O, C, and A and G. So let's start with the yellow cards, the consonants. B, bat, B. Your turn. C, cat, k. F, fun, f. G, game, g. M, man, m. N, nut, n. T, top, t. Let's do the vowels. A, apple, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, up, Okay, now it's time for vowel extensions. I'm going to stretch out the A sound in the beginning and then say the rest of the word here. Here's A. A, apple. A, apple. A, apple. We're going to skip E for now because we haven't learned it yet. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. Let's go to U. U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job, guys. Okay, so now it's time to learn how to write the lowercase a on our board. Remember, we're not going to worry about writing the uppercase A right now. We're only going to focus on writing the lowercase a. And when you do the lowercase a, you do it exactly how you would do C, cat, k. You start out doing the letter C. So what you do is you start on the plane line, you curve back around down to the grass line. So as you can see, that is the letter C there. Then you go up to where you started on the plane line and then straight down to the grass line. A, apple, a. Let's try it again. You start on the plane line, you curve down backwards, you first do the letter C, then you come back up to the plane line and then straight line down to the grass line. A, apple, a. Okay, one more time. For the lowercase a, you're going to start on the plane line. You curve down around to the grass line. You go back up to the plane line and you go down to the grass line. A, apple, a. All right, so boys and girls, I would love, love, love for you to take a picture of that, just like Mrs. Tillman did, and send that A to me, please. All right, also, we are now going to learn the lowercase g, and for the first time, we are actually going to use the worm line. Yay! So G is the first letter where we're going to use the worm line. So let me show you how to do the lowercase g. So you start on the plane line there. You fly down to the grass line. So you're first going to do the letter C. You're going to go back up like you were doing the lowercase a, like we just did. And look, there is the lowercase a, but instead of stopping, you go straight to the worm line and then hook around to the worm line. G, game, g. All right, I'll show you that again. So you're going to do the letter C. You're going to curve down to the grass line. There's the letter C. Then you can continue to the lowercase a, but you don't stop there. You go to the worm line and give a little hook. G, game, g. All right, I will show you that one more time. You start on the plane line, you round back down to the grass line, you go up to the plane line, you go straight down to the grass line, but you don't stop at the grass line, you go to the worm line, and you hook up like that. G, game, G. All right, boys and girls, I would like you to take a screenshot of that, a picture of that, and send it to Mrs. Toman to make me the happiest teacher. Now, boys and girls, I do know that the A and G are a little harder, but with practice, you're going to get it in no time. Okay, boys and girls, let's remember that for this week, we have learned A, apple, A, that is a vowel, and we learned G, game, G. A and G are the same as C and O. They're both plain line rounded letters. That means you give a rounded line. Okay, the vowels that we have learned so far are A, I, O, and U. All right, boys and girls, amazing job. Don't forget to send me your pictures of the letters A and G written on the writing grid. All right, till next time. See you soon.